Alright everybody, making a quick video here. It is currently Saturday, January the 4th. It's 5:56 p.m. on your Saturday. It's 35 degrees outside. Let's take a look at the radar, of course. Not going to be showing anything across the area right now, but as we get on into the morning hours, we do expect to eventually get some showers in here between 7 and 9 o'clock. So we will get some of that. We don't expect any frozen precipitation or anything with any of that, but let's get on into the what we've got going on right now. And we're watching for the threat of a few strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly along and west of I-65. That'll be a fast-moving line of moderate to heavy showers and thunderstorms. A few storms may become marginally severe, strong to marginally severe, 7 p.m. Sunday evening through 2 a.m. early Monday morning. All of northern Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, which is a little bit contradictory to what the model outlook was, but we'll go with this right here because this is official information here. So there is a possibility of a few thunderstorms being strong for all of North Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, 7 p.m. Sunday evening through 2 a.m. early Monday. Gusty to damaging winds, medium confidence. That's mainly what we've been watching for, will be the gusty to damaging winds and heavy rainfall. That's a low threat of that. We'll take a look at the GFS showing a pretty fast-moving line of showers and thunderstorms to move across the area as we get on into Sunday night. Looks like it moves into northeast Alabama somewhere around 1 o'clock, and it starts weakening as it moves across and east of I-65. With the strongest thunderstorms expected right now to be west of I-65 in northwest Alabama and, of course, Mississippi. Now, this is going to be a pretty powerful low-pressure system, so the winds could gust up to 30 miles per hour, maybe higher, if we get some of those stronger thunderstorms in there. It's a pretty good little low-level jet coming in with this, so if we could pull some of that higher winds down toward the surface, we could get some higher gusts. So that's mainly why there is the possibility that a few strong, marginally severe wind gusts could occur with this system as it moves through. Now, let's move on to this, and then we'll start discussing what threat of severe weather we have, where we expect it to be at, etc. Right now, this is going to be a lot of what people are wondering about, the snow potential for next Friday. Well, I can tell you there's a possibility, as we've been talking for a while. Not going to overhype it and say, yeah, we're going to have a blizzard or an ice storm or something like that. We just don't know yet. Models still hinting at an ice threat for North Alabama next week. That's going to be around Friday. And there's a lot of uncertainty. This, system could turn out to be something really heavy. Then again, it could turn out to be just a bust and nothing much but some rain. But the conditions are there, for some ice, snow, a little bit of both. So there is that possibility, but, right now it's too far out to say. So it is a might happen scenario at this point. We've moved up just a little bit with it might possibly happen. It's not a guarantee, but it's something to watch. It's a possibility. Now, let's move on from that. We'll look at the Energy Helicity Index. This gives us a really good idea where we expect the severe storms to be at and where the energy is at. And as you can see, not a lot. Looking at the models here, not a lot at all. Southwestern Mississippi, there is actually a enhanced risk down in those areas. South Mississippi area, and then a slight risk, and then a marginal risk. But so far, nothing extends much into Alabama, except unless you're, further to the west, which we'll take a look at that in a minute. Rainfall totals look to be around, we should get around an inch of rainfall by next Saturday. That's January the 11th, so we expect, an inch or less of rainfall. Now, we will take a look at the wind. Now, this is what we're discussing. Keep in mind, southwest portions of Mississippi, not moderate, but enhanced risk. That is going to be a 30% risk there of some damaging winds, 15% risk in the yellow, and 5% risk in the brown. As you can see, that hangs out along I-65 and just barely scoots east. It does not include DeKalb, Jackson, and Marshall fully, so we could still see some gusty winds, though. Now, let's take a look at our tornado threat. Now, tornado threat still more well-defined as southwestern Mississippi, kind of on the line there, the Mississippi state line there. And there is, 15% risk. I believe that's actually a 10% risk. 10% risk there of a tornado in the yellow, a 5% in the brown, and a 2% in the green. As you can see, does not come anywhere near northeast Alabama, thankfully, and I don't expect it to. So fingers crossed there. Prayers that it don't. Looking at the outlook all the way around. Enhanced risk there for the southwestern portions of Mississippi there in the orange, a slight risk in the yellow, and a marginal threat extends along I-65. Now, could a few of these storms still produce damaging winds east of I-65? I mean, yes. There is a possibility, but it's on the lower side, so we don't really expect a lot of impacts here other than those winds. Those winds will be something that we really do have to keep a close eye on as we go on into the time period there. So let's get ready to wrap it up with our sponsor, Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate, for all your real estate needs. Give him a call at 256-979-4330. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks, everybody. Have a great rest of your Saturday, and we will keep you updated as it comes up. So have a good one, everybody, and I'm praying for snow. I know a lot of other people are. They can keep the ice. We don't need the ice, and that's where I'm kind of concerned. I am a little bit concerned about the ice because of the model outlooks, but hopefully we get snow. We don't need the ice. They can keep that. We'll take the snow, but we don't need ice around here. Anyway, take care. God bless. Have a great rest of your Saturday night, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, everybody.